Hello friends, today I show you how to do cleaning and oiling of our sewing machine. No matter which machine you have, first of all we remove the faceplate of this machine. Here we have a small cap which we remove and the screw using the screwdriver. So no matter which machine you have, you will be needing a screwdriver to open the faceplate. Be sure that you keep all the screws in place. I use my machine very frequently, that's why I clean it at least once in a week. Turn off the power switch when you oil the machine. Oil the points as shown in the manual of your sewing machine or as pointed on the body of the machine. 1 or 2 drops of oil is sufficient. In case there is too much oil dripping from your cane, then you wipe the oil, otherwise it will stain the clothes. Always use good quality sewing machine oil. Make sure there is not much lint inside and the machine is at least cleaned with the fabric and you wipe all the lint. Sometimes the lint is not visible with the naked eyes, but when you clean with a small brush, it comes out. Clean all sides of the machine, all the pieces, all the parts, everywhere, even if you can't see the lint, even if you can't see any dirt, because no matter it's visible or not, it comes out when you press it with a brush. Machine oiling and cleaning is very important to keep your machine in good condition, and if you do it regularly every week, then your machine doesn't give you any troubles and it works really smooth and really you enjoy working on your machine, and your fabric is also not stained and your fabric is not spoiled because your machine is in good condition and it works really fast and really well. If your sewing machine has not been used for an extended time, oil it before sewing. But remember that before stitching on any fabric, on a new fabric, stitch on a waste scrap of a fabric. Once you are sure that your machine has been cleaned up, clean up all the exterior parts also. Interior parts you have already cleaned up so vigorously. And now put the faceplate back, screw it, cap it and fix it so well. Clean it up and after screwing, pick up a scrap of a fabric to stitch without the thread. I'm sure you'll remember to oil and clean your machine the way I do, and let me know how regularly you clean your machine, which machine you have. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like my video and share with your friends so that they also know the right way of cleaning up their machines. And stitch on a scrap of a fabric without the thread, because there is no point wasting thread when you have to just remove the excess oil from the machine and find out that there is no machine oil left in the